Guys, I have with me the man of the moment, Larry J. Tell me, how excited are you tonight?
I'm very excited. Like, I have all see, everybody on stage, they are my best friends. The people like Paul I talk to anytime I have a show. I'm like, yo, bro, we can't be doing this behind the scenes. You have to come up stage, and it's so wonderful.
What do you think about the turnout? I mean, this is massive.
I'm so impressed. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love.
Tell us about the next show coming up.
The next show coming up is on the 25th of December. 25th of December, 2023. Eco Hotel in the Garden. After we finish that, we'll have massive crowd by the grace of God, and then we'll shoot fireworks. As in Eja in Banga. Let's blow Banga. Let's blow. What's Banga in English? Let's blow fireworks. Yeah. And it will be amazing. Eco Hotel. Big shout out to Eco Hotel. Thank you.
Do you have any other thing you want to say to anybody out there?
Please keep watching Larry J. Keep following MC Larry J. Thank you so much for the love. And I can see how much you love me. And I promise you, I will not let you down. I'll keep doing what I love to do. Keep talking about my wife and my children. That's it.
Thank you.